Hi, welcome to Gyan Ganga e-learning platform. Our today's topic is on internal assignment for Operation Digital Subject, which is for the month of April 2021. So we are going to see the answer number, question number second B. So let's see the solution. Okay, it's on least cost method. So let's see the solution.
Hello friends, we have a problem here wherein we need to find the solution by least cost method. So before solving the problem, let us go through the steps. So here we have in step 1 amongst all the elements, select the cell with least element. If there is a tie, select anyone. For example, we have two similar numbers, then we select anyone among them and we allocate maximum between the respective demand and supply to that particular cell. And that after allocating the maximum supply or demand, we eliminate that particular row or column where demand or the supply is exhausted. Then we move to the next least cost element in the matrix, and we repeat step number 1 and 2 again to find the final cost. So in this particular problem, we can see here out of all these elements, 49 is the least element wherein we have the supply of 300 and the demand of 350. So here we can allocate a supply of 300 for this particular element. So here after allocating a supply of 300, so this 300 becomes 0 and this particular 350 becomes 50. So this particular row gets eliminated. So among these elements, we again find out the next least element. So among all these elements, the next least element is 55. For this 55, we have a supply of 350 and a demand of 250. So we allocate a demand of 250 for the same. 250, so this 250 becomes 0 and this 350 becomes 100. So this particular column W2 becomes 0. Now we again repeat the step by finding out the least element among all these. So among all these, we can see that the least element is 56. So for this 56, we have a supply of 100 and a demand of 50. So for this 56, we allocate a demand of 50. So after allocating, this 50 becomes 0 and this 100 becomes 50. So this particular column W4 again gets eliminated. So among all these elements, the next element is next least element is 58. So for this 58, we have a supply of 200 and a demand of 200. So we allocate 200. This 200 becomes 0 and this 200 becomes 0. So we eliminate this row and we eliminate this column. So the next least element is 61. So for this we have a supply of 50 and a demand of 200. So we allocate 50 units for the same. When we allocate 50 units for the same, this 50 becomes 0 and this 200 becomes 150. So this particular row F2 becomes 0. So the next for this particular element, we have a demand of 150 and a supply of 150. So we allocate the same. So this 150 becomes 0 and this 150 becomes 0. So to find out solution for this problem, the total cost that becomes is 250 into 55, 250 into 55 plus 50 into 61 plus 50 into 56 is this particular element. Then next we have 300 into 49. Next we have plus 150 into 70 plus 200 into 58. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the allocations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we calculate all these elements, that is this particular multiplications, so we get a total sum as 56,400. So this is one of the simplest way to get the basic feasible solution by least cost method. Thank you.